in this video I'm going to explain how to wash your bra Indian curly unit. Okay, so the first step is making sure your unit is free of any tangles. So you're going to wash this 24-inch Indian curly unit today. So to make the unit completely tangle free, I recommend first going through with your hands. Just start at the ends and work your way up. And I'll make sure to take your time for this process. If you fully come through the unit with your hands, you can also use a comb. Always make sure to use a wide toothed comb. So always fingers first and after a wide toothed comb. Just to make sure you didn't forget any spots. So, okay, one tip. When you choose not to use a mannequin head and a standard, but to hold the wig, always make sure you place your hands inside the unit and the unit rests on your hand. So don't hold the closure or frontal like this with your hands. Because holding it like this and then brushing it out put too much pressure on the closure and then you can tear the lace. So please be mindful of this. So after brushing it out, we're going to wash it. To wash the unit, I'm going to use this sink. If you don't have a similar sink like me, you can also use a baskin. So a baskin like this. So the first step, of course, is filling up the zinc with water. After filling up the sink, I'm going to use shampoo. I'm using the Biotera, the intense smoothing shampoo. And just add some shampoo to the water. And then we're going to add the unit inside. Like this. What I always do, I always hold the top with my hands and I wash the ends first. And I always wash the wig in length. So just work the shampoo through with your hands. As you can tell, I'm working very gentle because you want to avoid throwing the wig in the water and just rubbing it. Because in this way you can also create unnecessary tangles. So this is why I hold the top and I just work the shampoo through while using my fingers. I don't use any glue or gel on my closure, so it stays pretty clean. But if you do, I always recommend turning the wig inside out. So you have access to the lace. Add some water on top. And then add some shampoo. And then use your fingers to rub the shampoo. And to clean the closure. Once again, always make sure to be gentle. So you don't want to rub the closure like this. because it's very sensitive, the lace. So if you rub it like this, you can damage the lace. And when you use glue or gel or a lot of hairspray at the inside of the closure, always make sure that you wash the wig in time. So don't let it build up too much, because then in the end it will be difficult to get all the product out. So I'm going to turn the wig back. Once again, don't hold the closure. So don't hold it like this. Don't hold it like this. Always put your hand at the inside and let the unit rest on your hand. So after shampooing, we're going to rinse out the unit. And just squeeze any excess water with using your hands. And always make sure that you rinse out the product completely. You don't want to leave any residue. After rinsing out the shampoo, we're going to squeeze out the water. During this whole process, I won't be using a towel. After this, I'm going to apply the conditioner. And the conditioner is meant to restore the moisture of the hair. So another tip, try to avoid using shampoo too much. You can always also co-wash, and then the wig will get clean in the same way. So we're going to apply the conditioner all over. Always make sure to be generous. And then work the conditioner through while using your fingers. And again, use your fingers to work the conditioner through the hair and to also finger detangle at the same time. After evenly distributing the conditioner, we're going to use a brush. To brush out your curly wig, you can use several options. You can use, for example, a wide toothed comb. You can use a brush looking similar to this. Just make sure the bristles are sturdy enough. Or you can use a brush similar to this. Just make sure that whatever you use is suitable for curly hair and that it doesn't snag the hair. This is really important. After brushing out the curling unit, I'm going to place in a plastic cap. I use this cap. It's the same cap that I use for my natural hair. If you don't have this, you can also use a plastic bag, but I recommend using a plastic cap. So you're just going to place the unit inside. Like this. And we're going to let it sit for like 15 or 20 minutes. after 15-20 minutes, we're going to take out the wig. And then we're going to rinse it out. So then again, after rinsing it out, use your fingers, your hands to squeeze out any excessive water. So after rinsing out the unit, I brush it through one more time. I always advise applying Ciao Daya after washing. I explained the complete process in a different video, so I really recommend watching that video as well. So for now, this is the correct way to wash your raw Indian curly unit. If you guys have any more questions for me, please drop them below in the description box and I will answer them as soon as possible. For now, thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye. Thank you.